If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these plain white and iridescent Converse into these lovely TikTok themed shoes, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today I am going to be embellishing these size 8 in men's Converse. They're really pretty. I like this holographic, it's like a vinyl, I guess, area on the front. So it's very cute. Never saw any like this before. These are actually for a little girl that's turning 12. And her theme for her birthday is TikTok. So I've already picked out the colors I'm going to be using. So I have this like this fuchsia color, this teal color, and I have this smoky dark. I didn't go with the black. I decided to go with the hematite. I just thought it would be better. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe these shoes off. It looks like they may have been worn. So I'm gonna be handling the shoes. So I'm just gonna wipe it off at the bottom with some alcohol because I have to wipe off the whole area of the rubber anyway. The way she wants the shoe, she wants the toe with the TikTok colors. A little bitty TikTok logo just on one side of the shoe. I'll do that with some vinyl. On each of these strips here, she wants the TikTok colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, you guys. So you just want to go ahead and add your glue onto the shoe. I kind of go row by row, and I go against the same shape, like the little smile shape of the toe area. And I am using 5mm, and the colors are the color of TikTok. As you can see, that iridescent area on the front, it could kind of clash a little bit, but after I finished these, it still came out really nice. But I think iridescent clear rhinestones with that iridescent effect would look so amazing with this as well. Now you just want to make sure everything is wiped off and that you're using the E6000 glue. That does work pretty much the best when it comes to using rhinestones on rubber. Just go ahead and take your time and just line the rhinestones up and just kind of find your flow. As you can see, I did go ahead and wipe off the bottom of the shoes really good. Make that something to consider when you are doing shoes for people. Let them know your requirements, if they have to be fully brand new or if you don't mind them being gently used or just downright used, because you will be handling the shoe, and just for sanitation purposes you just want to make sure that they're clean and sanitary, because you'll be holding the shoe inside sometimes, from the bottom sometimes. So I cleaned them off very well, so it was no biggie. I did notice that the shoestrings could have probably been swapped out or cleaned, or maybe next time some pink shoestrings or something like that would have been nice also. Now I really do like the whole idea of the shoe being TikTok themed. Her birthday party is a TikTok theme, and all the decorations pretty much match the shoe. This particular design didn't take that long at all. It was pretty simple for the most part, and I'm almost finished. I believe this is the second shoe. Now she only wants the TikTok logo on one of the shoes, so I'll be doing that in the next portion of this video. Okay, so I used my silhouette cameo to cut this out. If you wanted to know the measurements, I just have to say a wild guess, 1 inch by 1/2 inch. I used just a regular iron to iron this on. Of course, I couldn't get this under my heat press, and I didn't want to melt that the vinyl area above with the star. So I just kind of came at an angle. I turned it up all the way on the cotton, I think, setting, and I cut down the steam. A little bit of water came out, so that's on there really good. I added some E6000 on top of the Tik Tok logo, and I just wanted to add a couple rhinestones to it just to really make it pop, and I thought it gave it a nice look. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished results, and I think these came out really cute. Maybe next time some sparkly pink shoestrings, or maybe even black shoestrings, would have really brought out that Tik Tok logo on the side. But overall, I think these are really cute. I think the whole Tik Tok idea for the birthday party and the matching shoes was just excellent. She did receive her shoes. She really liked them, which is always a plus. Thanks you guys for watching this video. If you want to have a Tik Tok theme for your child and you're thinking about having some shoes to match, hopefully this video was helpful to you. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, or if you found it helpful. Share it on Facebook if possible, and subscribe to this channel if you'd like to. If not, thanks for stopping by. Bye bye. Also, be sure to check out my playlist that I have available at the end of this video. I have playlists for shoes, wine glasses, wine bottles, I got glitter shoes, a little bit of everything on this channel's DIY. So go ahead and check out these playlists. If you're interested in purchasing some rhinestones, I will have some links in my description. If you're interested in buying in bulk and wholesale, I do have my vendors list available for sale. There's a link for that as well. Thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye.